Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a herbarium file. This essential tool helps organize and preserve plant specimens for scientific study and future reference. A herbarium is a collection of dried plants, systematically arranged for easy access. Understanding its purpose is the first step to effectively managing your botanical collection, ensuring its longevity and usefulness for research. Before filing, proper specimen preparation is crucial. First, ensure your plant specimens are thoroughly dried and pressed flat to fit standard herbarium sheets, typically around 11 by 16 inches. Next, carefully mount each specimen onto acid-free archival paper using glue or linen tape. Finally, attach a detailed label including the scientific name, collection date, and location for accurate record keeping. Organizing your herbarium file systematically makes specimens easy to find. Most herbaria arrange specimens taxonomically, starting with family, then genus, and finally species, often in alphabetical order within those categories. Use sturdy folders or envelopes for each species or group to protect them. Consistency in your filing method is key for efficient retrieval and maintaining the integrity of your collection. Maintaining your herbarium file ensures its long-term value. Store your files in a cool, dry, and dark environment, ideally in sealed cabinets, to protect against pests and environmental damage. Always handle specimens with extreme care, keeping them flat to prevent breakage. Keep a detailed record or database of specimen locations, perhaps using color-coded labels, for quick and easy access when needed for study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.